now just make sure that everything starts correctly this time around. We are there. Perfect, we are now live. Had a small error the first time around, but now we are good. We are going to be trading binary option again. Every day this week we have basically been printing money. Yesterday we needed to work a little harder, but today we are going to do much better, trust me on that. And also there are going to come some news, so if you are into Forex there will be a way so you can automatically copy my trades. I will get a little to that a little later in this session. So now I will just prepare to see that you have everything in order, that you have sound and everything in order, and we will start getting ready to trade some binary option. So just bear with me. By then make sure you like this video so we get as many people as possible into this live session. Okay, so make sure you like this. Now let's see, we are with the first there, all in order. Let's close the trades. As you can see, we needed to work a little hard just right here. So now I'll just give people a chance to get in and we will get started. Let's see. Okay. For now, I see no one live yet. Let me wait and see. Okay, now we are full live. Okay, all of you make sure you like this session and I will get started. Yeah, I will now get started. So, like I said, yesterday we really needed to work hard to get to profit. As you can see, we made 3 losses here, we made 3 losses here, but then we had a winning streak and we lost one here and got 2 wins again. We basically just turned a little profit yesterday, not big but a little, but still we did show that if you stick to the rules you can still make money. So hopefully we don't need to be fighting today, that we'll go back to printing Monday like we have done in all the other sessions this month. So now let's get started. Also I will say one thing, in below this video, if you see this as a recording, you'll find a link to a new Forex broker that works worldwide. When I get 20 people to sign up, you also find it in the chat by the way. So when we have 20 people that have signed up with this broker, made a deposit, I will then start to share so everyone can copy my Forex trades 100% automatic. So if you are interested about that, that can be something you can do together now with the binary option. If you're interested about that, let's go for it. You find link in the chat, and if you've seen the recording you can join with a link below the video. So make sure you sign up for that, because then I will later on then still make my live session for Forex so people can copy manually, but then you can rest assured that every trade you see me do, we will basically be able to follow them automatically also. So if that's something you're interested about, well, now you have the chance. You find a link in the chat and link below the video. Now let's see, we have something beautiful up here, a little far away from it. but I think this is, as we are so early in the session, this is something we actually can reach. So let's turn this one to red. Let's take it with the thickest line. I think I want to move it just a little bit up there. Let me see. I think there we can take it. So that's first one. I will not pause this as a signal yet because we are too far away, and I know there are many obstacles we need to go through. We see here we have some type of resistance, we have here some type of resistance, we will have one here and one here, so we'll need to break quite a lot of resistance before we get there. So it's a chance we never get there, but it's a chance we get there. That's why I just let it be for now. Now let's continue. Let me see now if people are doing their job and pushing like. Thank you, the one person that did push the like. There are still 3 people that are live now that have not pushed the like button. Please push the like button. More people get in, more fun it is for me. I don't think it takes too much of your time to do that. So I just made a deposit with your code in. Cool. Do you have the money available now so you can copy my trades today, or how is it? Did you do it today, or when you did? So just I know if you can copy me today. It's fun to know if people are copying me the trades I do today. So give me some information there, Kyle. Okay, let's continue. Here also we have a beautiful one in the bottom here, but it's the same story. We are a little too far away. I don't think I even want to bother basically to market, because also the problem is when you're so far away and it's so long time since you have been down testing this area, this might not even be something now. So let's just move on from this one here and see if we find something that is a little closer to where we are now. So we see that this area is somehow good also, but I would say somehow because we see that it's not always that good. So let's find something a little closer to where we are now so we can get some trades in. Here, yes, now we have something. And let's take this one. Let's mark it here. Let's make it a green line. So of course, when we come in, looks like he wants to go up, but let's give a signal. Binary options buy line for Aud and set it at 1,1,09,34,7. Cool, then we have it. Let's make a copy, take a screenshot. We can still come down there, but a little sad that we're going a little high up, but yeah, we will make sure that we at least are ready. So let me just change this to 30. Let's follow a little if this can be something we can be trading. Okay, I like this bar we see now. It looks like he's blocked in this support area here, but let's see. If we're lucky, we can get in and get some trades there again. But yeah, this is the first one that it's actually possible we can be trading very close to now. So I'm ready to push the up button if you come down to this green line. It's that simple. And if you see me a little like this and clicking the button, it's because I'm basically just telling people in different type of groups so they can take these trades also. 2 more push the like button. Thank you so much, and good morning to you also, Jilong. Did I say your name correct? It's a different name for me, so I'm not so I don't break your name too much, I know. Then post the last place, and we are golden. Let me take it like this, and there. Okay, I don't like this. He's going a little too high here now. I think we can start to look for one more trade as we are moving a little far away from our line. So let's do that. Let's take a look at this one also. Okay, he is at least moving in the correct direction for our other line. But we need to be careful on this red line here, that when we have been away for it for a little while, it's not 100% sure it's a thing. But I think this is close enough time that we still can trade this red line. So that's why we're going to follow this too. Okay, let's just see if we find something else. Here I do not have enough information. Let's zoom out. No, we don't have anything. In the top here might be something later. You see we have one there, we have one there, almost something on this one. Looks like we come up here. So there might be something up here. I will mark it just so we have an idea about it. We are not trading this one yet, but we are keeping an eye on it, we can say. There. Like you see here now, when we mark it, you see this one did break a little high above it. That's why we are not going to be doing that. Sometimes we just put a line and we get a better idea. I will really follow this one. Here looks like we're very close now to come into our trading zone. And this one is going away like crazy. Now let's take a look here. We might actually get something here also. Let's mark this one. Same story like the other one. We need to just mark it. And when you mark it, let me see if I take it there. I will keep an eye on this one. We see we have one. I need to zoom in. This one is not in the green. Here the problem is we have one that is a little farther down, so that's why I'm not going to trade this one. Once again, when we put up the line, we get more information. Then we manage to see right away. Here, basically, I see nothing. Okay, here I do not see nothing either. So till now we are waiting for two lines. They are both a little far away, but we are ready. I will do like this once in a while, just go back and look at these two. Both are not able right now. I see nothing here. So if you want to copy what I'm doing, make sure you use the link you find in the chat if you're in YouTube. And if you see at the recording, you find a link below the video. Also make sure you sign up with the Forex broker like that. So if you want to copy my trades automatically, then make sure you sign up with the broker you find for Forex. You find in the chat also. Now let's see. Till now I have not found anything I find interesting to trade. They are just like this sometimes. Sometimes you just need to look a little more than other times to find something. But when we first find something, as you know, we will trade like crazy on the lines. We see a little trend upwards here, but nothing to trade right here. Let's move on. OBS Studio, reconnecting, deconnect. What is going on here? Let me just check what happened here now. I think everything seems to be okay. No, We are still 6 live. Did I go in and out? No. I got a message here that I was reconnected and might just be. Let's continue. I am running through a VPN server this time, so if things are different, if things slower, tell me. If the sound are good, everything is good. Because like I said, I'm running through a VPN server because I did see a lot of people are trying to hack me, so I'm doing things a little safer. But safer does not mean things are better for live sessions. So just tell me if everything is good on your end, just so I know. Actually, I could just check on my cell phone super fast. Sometimes that is faster. So I will do so. Let me see. Go to my live session here now, just to see if everything seems to be okay. Let me see. All is good. Then we can continue. We had a lot of lines here. We had a beautiful one here, and we had one okay here. But let's mark this one up. I think we need to follow this one because we see that this pair gives us many opportunities. So let's follow it. I see he's a little higher than the one here, but this is the new area, so let's follow and see. Maybe we get some trades on this one a little later. Okay, little far away still. Yeah, let's continue. Our JPY, that's this one. Then let's take the next. For now, nothing. So this is one of the days where we are basically just looking trades. It's the most boring thing, I know, but it's just a process we need to go through sometimes. Sometimes we can't even get a break. We get trade after trade after trade, and sometimes it's like this, that we just are online on the wrong time, that we can go back on any pair and you can find beautiful trades that was just a little while ago, you know. So this is just a part of the game that we need to be looking and looking and looking to find something. And I'm not successful yet, but things change fast. Now let's see. Like here's, for example, you see a beautiful line that we will easily have traded, but like you see, we are a little far away. So it's just to come in and have a session at the correct time. Like if we had come in here, for example, we would have printed money like crazy and we would make a lot of money. So it's like I said, it's actually a little luck. It's a little luck to find a good line when you go online. Of course, when you don't have a session, you're always able to find something. Like here you see, just little recently, because every bar here is 1 minute, right? So recently here we had a beautiful one. You only would have lost here, that's it, and you would have printed money on this line. So we will find something, but we need to work a little for it. Now let's see here. I think we actually do have something here. Let's mark it up. Just hope he don't choose to start to go up now. You see there. Let's change to 30. I will trade on this time. Now let's see. So this is for dollar against Canadian dollar. The line is at 1:31:33:61. I can give this signal. Binary options buy line for USD CAD at 1:31:33:61. Also, I'm asking this in every single session I do. If you know another YouTuber that is basically doing what I'm doing, live every single day, trading binary option, I'm curious. I want to see what type of strategy this YouTuber have, because I have a feeling I'm the only one that actually do this live every single day. So I'm very curious, and you're allowed to post a link in the chat or in the comments if you know a YouTuber that do this. Because like I said, I am curious to see if there are anyone doing that. Till now, no one have given me a link like that, or even told me someone that do this. But if there are, yes, I would love to see what strategy and what they're doing. Because trust me, it's not easy to be trading live and have all the expectations of making money every single day. But I got used to it now. In the start was a little stressful, because to be live is one thing, another thing to sit and make a video and take your time, and when you do live you really are on the, you need to push the envelope every time so you can get some trades in, and so you give people. It's not a clear video, that might be on your end. Is that for everyone, by the way? Because I see here in YouTube says that it's a good connection. So that might just be on your end. If someone else can give in some information there, because if that's the case, I will not be able to fix it on this session, but I will be able to fix it on the next, and I will do without a VPN. Just give me information about that, just so we I know that I give the best session possible. Now let's see. I can take a look on my cell phone while we are waiting. I will take trades there. Let me see. Let me take a look. This looks clear for me, so it might just be on your end that it's not clear. But of course that is on a cell phone, so maybe it looks clear there, and if you're on a computer maybe it's not. So if someone else can confirm if it's a good quality video or if it's bad quality, then give me that information, because then I will skip the VPN server just for the sessions at least. So you see, this is the line we are trading right now. This is a beautiful line. Now he was a little long time away, but you see he still came back 2 times here. So we can see that this line is still a thing, but we just need to get down to it so we can trade it. So we just might be 1 minute away from our first trade, and let's hope the first trade will be a winning trade, because I always like to win the first trade. Now we are getting close. I'm ready to push up if we come down to the line. Let's see. Looks like he needs to break some type of support here. And we can see he had this problem also over here, that he had a support he need to break. So that's not a new thing. So now let's see. That means also that we probably need a very good entry here. So I will do my best, because the problem with this broker, like I said before, that there might be a little slightly what is the name? It's more like a no, it's I hate when I'm supposed to say something and I don't remember the word I'm going to say. Delay. My God, sometimes I only did get myself one coffee today. Typically I need two, so maybe I need to run and get a coffee while we are trading. So I'm waking up here. But yes, there's a small delay when you push the button here. Sometimes it's smaller, sometimes a little bigger. The biggest can be like 2 seconds. So be aware of that. That's why we need to be trying to get the best entries we can. But you see, even though it's a delay, yesterday we did terribly, but we still made money. The other times, like you see this month, we have been printing money, so even with the delay, we do good. But yes, yesterday was actually not the delay that made us lose too much. It was me making mistakes, going in many times. I should not do that. But yes, the main reason that I did go in many times was because I got a bad entry and I tried to get a better one. I know I should not do that, but I do it. And then of course the times I did that, he chose to break the line and we lost, and that happened 2 times. So we may basically, instead of losing just 1 trade, we lost 3, and we did that 2 times, so basically we should have lost only 2, but we lost 6. So that's why the session yesterday did turn a little worse than normal. But even though we made money, so just so you see, to stick to the rule, we make money. Now just while we're waiting, see if someone else tell me about oh, it's a lag. Okay, then if someone else can confirm it, I will skip to use the VPN server for tomorrow. Like I said, I can't do it now because when I disconnect from the VPN server, everything will go down and will be a big mess. So I prefer not to do that today. So I hope it's good enough for us for today. Now we are getting close. I'm ready to push up. If we can come down this time, I really hope we do. Still, he stopped at this support here. I know it's tempting to trade this support here. I know, many times I have done this, but overall I'm not so successful when I start to do these type of things. So I keep to my rule, we keep to the line, and that's it. Now as you're up here, I will check super fast on the other lines we have. Hey, here we have something. And we see the line is still a thing. So let's see, I will go in. I'm in there, good entry. Now let's see if we can win this trade. We need to wait 20. He broke the line. Why did I need to go in that time? So then we are starting our day with a losing trade. So let's take minus 100. Okay, I know we will lose it, so I don't even bother. We won. I was not expecting that. I really thought we were going to lose that trade. Okay, but we are still not going to trade this line more. We just remove it. But cool. I love when these type of things happen. That I basically had expected to get a losing trade and we won. So that was a lucky start, we can say. Then I think we can start to find another one. We are close here, so I will just follow USD CAD, just jump a little back and forward. But cool, we are up $95 now. Can't be sad for that. But that was unexpected, so happy for that. Now let's see. So if you lost that trade, you are not lucky like me. So I will say I was lucky that he did basically turn a little in profit for us. So, but sometimes it's good to be lucky also, because most of the time I'm actually unlucky. So here we are very far away from nothing. I don't see nothing in the top either. That can be something. But we did good with this this pair yesterday actually. I think we won quite a lot on it. If I remember correct, yes, yeah. We did very good on this line, not line, this pair yesterday. Dollar against the Japanese yen. This, if I never had traded this pair, when talk about Forex, I would have much more money today. This, in my start of my career of trading Forex, I lost a lot on this pair. This pair is, I will say, is the most difficult pair to trade when it comes to Forex. So if you're into Forex and you're starting to trade, stay away from dollar against Japanese yen. Just trust me on that. I have lost so much money. Of course, it's much because of my stupidity that comes to emotions, where I'm trying to hold a trade. I think like, the trade will turn, the trade will turn, and it never turns, and then you start to be so much minus that you're so annoyed that you feel you can't close the trade. Then you try to enter again, and he keeps going, and before you know it, you have lost more than half of your balance of your account. So I will say once again, if you are new to Forex and you're choosing pairs to trade, don't pick dollar against Japanese yen. That is a difficult one. If you want Japanese yen, take GBP, GPY instead. The British pound against Japanese yen. That one is actually very easy to trade. So it's a huge difference. This one says 75. We are not trading 75. That is the real one. Okay, there we have it. Okay, now let's go fast and check. We are getting close again here. And always when you change in between these pairs, make sure you change to 30 seconds, because he automatically put 5 seconds for you. A little annoying, but it's something you need to do. Now let's zoom in. We are close again. Looks like he, this time around, will break it. So now we are getting a trade. I think we're getting a trade this time. At least he's very close. Let's see. Once again, stop in this support area here. Starting to be a little annoying, but we just need to wait for a good entry. Let's see. But yes, we are up $95 now. Hopefully we can get some more trades, because my target a day is basically 500. We did not reach that yesterday, but hopefully we can do it today. But to reach that, we need to get in some trades. Now we are getting very close here now. We are on dollar against Canadian dollar. But yes, we are now very close to getting in a trade. But we are only taking trade on the line. Okay. So let's see now. We are still not in. We got in a good entry there. You did see the pending was like 2 seconds this time. Delay on the trade. Not break down. Don't break down. No. Once again, our line is broken. And see how long time he was playing there, and now when we go in, he chooses to break it. So annoying. Okay, let's see if I'm lucky this time. I was lucky last time. This time or not. This time we lost. We lost. Okay, so that means we are $5 in minus for today. So this is one of the days lines are broken. You see, we had a beautiful, why he want to break exactly when we start to trade. I know this is like, you feel like, the broker is against us. It's not the case, but it can feels like it. I know it. We all have this feeling when we are trading that the broker is against us. And in some way they are, of course, because the broker make money when you lose money. That's how the brokers work, most of them at least. So we need, it's like when you go to the casino, right? Only we find a way so we have the edge, you know, the same you could do when you're counting cards in the casino, and only in the casinos then they throw you out. Here they can't throw us out. So let's here now. I think actually we'll take trades on this line. We are now on Australian dollar against Japanese yen. This line is not tested that much, but let's see. It's tested enough that I'm interested to take a trade, and we see the overall view is a little upward trend, so it makes sense to take a trade on this line. So let's see, I'm ready to go in if we come down there again. When we look at the trades that have been possible here now, we had 1, 2, 3, we would have won all of them. This 2 is a little, probably we could have lost this 2 here, but we would have won this one and won this one and won this one. So that's why I see this line as pretty good. Like I said, it's not tested that much yet, but if we're lucky we can get a few more trades here. So currently we are $5 down. That is, I told before, the only way we can secure to make money in these sessions is that we get many trades. When you just get one trade here, one trade there, that's not enough. We need many trades. So we get in our average. Average, we basically win 7, 8 out of 10 trades. And but if you get one trade here, one trade there, we might be unlucky in getting the losing trades. And yes, does not mean that you can easily get 4 losing trades in a row. I have done that. You see, I did that almost here. We get 3 in a row. Of course, that was 3 of the same trade, but still, it's possible. But like I said, just stick to the rule and we make profit. Because it's so easy when you start to lose a trade that you start to double up your trade. You think, he will stop here, you take a 200 trade, he go a little more down, you take 400, and you start with your martingale, and before you know it, your account is empty. So that is going out of the rule, we can say. Now let's see, we are 5 people live in YouTube. 2 of you have not done your job, that is to like this video. See, we have just had 12 people total into our live session today. That is very low. I'm not satisfied with that. So make sure you like this video. That is a way you can help me, so we are getting more people in, because more people we get in is more fun for me to do this. Also make sure you check out the Forex Broker, so you can copy my trades automatically. Just join there. When I get in 20 people to make a deposit on this broker, I will start to share my trades so you can copy them automatically. Also make sure you join the binary option broker if you want to copy what I'm doing right now. Now let's see. But yeah, today it's a very slow day, very little to do. It's starting to be a little boring. Few trades, I will say. we see that he had something here, but he's not respecting that now. Let's change to 30 again. Now we're getting closer. We are ready to go in if we want to give us a trade down there. Hopefully this time around we can have a line that is going to hold this support line. Till now our supports have been broken quite easily 2 times. We are ready. Oh, terrible entry. Just terrible. I will take one more if you come down. There. Okay, at least we have one good. If we're lucky, win both of them. But hopefully at least win one. Let's see. The first one will end in about 10 seconds now. If we win the first, then we might win both. Let's see. Looks like we're going to win the first. Yes. And we won both. There. Cool. Then we are turning some profit here. Then we take plus 95, plus 95. Now we have $185 profit. So at least we are now in profit. It makes it a little more fun. We are ready to go in again if we come down to the line. Again, we are now close. We are ready to push on the line. This one is a little difficult to trade because you see he's moving very fast. So as there are a little delay, be aware of that. That's why you see I did go in 2 times, but he's also moving fast. That means also a bad entry can give you a win. I just made sure with the extra one. Of course, the risk is when you go in 2 times, if you break the line, you lose 2 trades. That's what happened with me yesterday. But most of the time we are okay. Let me just post it super fast. TC had a question. Which pair? This is Australian dollar against Japanese yen. And the line for Australian dollar against Japanese yen I have set to 91.6450. Okay, once again, 91.6450. So we will continue trading on this line. Let's see if we can get in some more trades. So currently we are $185. We have taken today 4 trades and we have won 3 of them. So that is quite decent. I'm happy with that. And 2 of the trades we did take, the lines were broken. We got lucky on this one, I will admit that. We got lucky on this one, that we managed to win this one, by the way. But this was 1 bad entry and 1 good, but both was 1. Because we see he's moving quite fast. So now we are getting a little breather. While we have a little breather, we will check if some of the other, I don't remember if you had a lines you're trading here. This is something, I can just remove it, so we don't have any confusions here. Euro against Japanese yen, we are very far away. Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar, we are far away. Now when we say that, looks like we might have something down here. Let me take a look at that. Do you know what? I think we can trade this. This is Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. The line is at 1.109799. I can write it. Binary options buy line for Aud and set det at 1109799. I can do this even better. Let me post it here. There. That's the next one you're trading now. This one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think from the 7 we might have lost this one and we might have lost this one. The rest we would have won, so this line is not bad. It's good enough for us to trade. So once again, this is at Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. I did basically just post it now in the chat. So let's see. We are ready to go in. If we just come down the line, I'll need to zoom in. I think the line is, it's good enough. We take it there. Let's see. So our profit till now is just $185. It's not enough. I want to see my 500, but that we can get very fast if we can just get in something like this, that we can get a few trades after each other. Then we will easily turn 500. So let's hope this line can give us that now. We are now 8 live. That's quite decent. I'm happy with that. That means there are also a lot of people that have not pushed the like button. So push the like button on this live stream. You help me out tremendously, because more people will get in, more fun it is for me to do these type of things. Now let's see. We are ready to take a trade on this green line. Let's see if we can print some more money. Come on. We are very close now. Come on. No. He's not. Okay, he's trying again. Let's see. Yes, I think we get one now. Be ready. Oh, bad entry. Bad entry. But you got one more there. Don't break the line. Don't break it. Don't break it. Let me see. We got 10 seconds left here. Don't break it. Go up. Go up. Give me a green bar. He's really testing so much now. I get stressed. Motherfucker. Okay, I take one more there. So we lost $200 there, minus 200. We got a new trade, we have $15 minus. Did you see what he did? He was really playing with us, and now we go up, right? But okay, we got a new trade. At least we're going to win that one. Let's see. There we won that one, plus 95. So profit again, so now we're $80 profit. This was super annoying how he was really pushing to go down there. Super annoying. Super annoying. And right after our trades, he chose to go up. We could have got in some good money there instead. Okay, but the line is still not broken, so we can still trade it. Though I think I'll move it just a little bit down. So our new line is now at 1.109796. Okay, you see it here. So I'm ready to go in again. I'm in. Good entry. I will take one more if you come down. I'm ready to go in again. We had the first good one there, 10 seconds, we get another win. Then we should be up in 100 something profit again. And there we won that trade. So we made ourselves another $95. So now our profit is 175. Now let's see. If you come down again, we will go in. Oh, bad entry. But I think if you're lucky, that can be good enough. Two bad entries. And one more there. Now let's see how this plays out. Ah! Foul. Minus 300. Will this be a losing session? 125. No, I think we still can fix this. This was annoying. This was so annoying. Okay, we have something up here. Let's mark it. Let's make it a red line. Okay, let's see if we can trade this. We are now on, if I have time, I will write it. Change for 30 seconds. So this is USD, CAD, and binary options sell line for USD CAD at 131.3355. Okay, I will post it for you all and also you can. So yeah, that's the story of the day. Lines get broken. We have seen 3 lines get broken till now. We are not much minus, we're just minus $125, but it's still annoying. Because I want my 500 a day. Yesterday we just made like 170 something. And yes, we have time left to turn profit, but I'm not after turning just a little profit. I want to see my 500 a day. But of course, when lines are broken like they are now, it's difficult to be reaching our targets. We just need a line to just keep as a line for a little while and get a few trades. So I'm a little annoyed, but it's nothing we can do. We will trade on this line up here. Let's see. And of course you want to go the wrong way. We will trade on this one down here also, if we can just get there. And here we are too far away. This is the shit line you are trading. We have another shit line down here. Maybe that one is better. So we will just off bad rhythms. We will remove this one up here and we will trade the one down here instead. So that means all these pairs we have something, and here I see nothing. So let's remove that one. So let's follow the ones that have something. If you see one of these other ones here get a trade, send me a WhatsApp message, because that will pop up on my screen here, so I can jump over and take trades, because sadly I can't follow all 4 of them at the same time. I have asked the broker to add the option so we can have multi-screen. I can't do that when I'm having these sessions, because that will make things too small for you, because I'm looking on a huge screen. but maybe will not be nice for you. That's why I don't do it. Also, I think even if the broker had given this option, I think will not be able for you all to follow, because I'm looking on a super big screen, and for me it's easy to see, but maybe for you all will be tiny. Okay, we are getting close something here now. I'm ready to go in. This is for dollar against Canadian dollar. We are in now. Let's see. If we get up, I will push down. We need at least 2 trades to turn profit now. I'm in. Little bad entry. That's the story of the day, is bad entry. And if I go in 2 times, the lines get broken. So I'm a little worrisome to do that now. I did. Then of course the line will be broken, right? Because that's basically the story of the day, that lines get broken. And line is broken. I start to be very annoyed now. Now we are doing terrible. Now we're down $325. I can't have a losing session. I'm starting to be very annoyed. We had a frustrating session yesterday. We did turn profit at least. But now, look this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losing trades in a row. Thankfully we did a little good before, but come on. This is... now I'm starting to be incredibly annoyed to see that every time we go in now, our support, resistance, whatever it is, get broken. I even tell it before it happened, like, okay, and it'll be broken, and now I'm annoyed. Even though this is just a small percent of my balance, I hate to be losing trades. So 2 bad sessions in a row then. Yes, we turned profit yesterday, but it was still not the profit I like to see. And sadly we don't have, I think we already traded, let me see, we traded more than 1 hour. I'm trading a little on overtime now because I don't want to see minus. So let me see up here. I'm stretching it if I take something up here. Yeah, I am. Are we really going to take a minus session? Will it be the number 8 in 1 year? I don't like it, but sometimes we just need to take the loss. And currently, does someone else see a line we can trade now? Help me out. Are there another line we can trade? Because I don't want to see a minus session. I will continue. If we find something to trade very fast, I will do it. Because I refuse to stop. We have traded 1 hour now, but I refuse to stop. But of course, if I don't find anything, I will need to stop. So if this one could just break down here now, at least we could trade this one. See if we can turn this around. So I'm very sorry for this. Looks like we are going to end this session with a minus. I hate to see that, and I hate to do that to you all. But you know what, I'll trade this one. Don't trade this, I will do it. Just me. Let's see if my luck is terrible today. Does not make sense, he will break it again. That's simple. Let me see. He's really testing to break the line, but it looks like now it's holding. Let's see now. Because if it's hold now, maybe hold a few more times so we can trade it. Let me see. Okay, at least I'm on this one. Then we are at minus 3 plus 95. We are 230. I will try again. Looks like this line probably is good again. I don't know what happened here. So we are trading dollar against Canadian dollar. You should never trade the first test after, but I did because I'm stupid sometimes. But at least this time it did go in my favor. I think we need 3 more trades to turn profit. So let's see now if we come up again. I will do it. Let's see. So I will go in again if we come up to this red line. Let's see. We are ready. Come on, go up now. I feel a little better as I got this winning trade here now. So we need 3 more trades. Let me check this one also. Oh, we are close here. Let's change to 30. This is Australian dollar against Japanese yen. I will take trade if we come down to the line. Come on, come on. I'm in. Good entry, so you just need 1. One more there. So as long as you don't break the line, I'm even scared to be looking, because if I'm not looking, he will give us a loss. So I did go away from it, I don't want to see. I see he's fighting on the line. So now we just see, of course we lost, right? But looks like we lost just 1, is it? We lost 1 and 1. That means we lost $5 more. But okay, at least the line was not broken. We are in again there. And then the line is broken. Of course it is. And I trade on 5 seconds also. How amazing. How amazing. I think we stop there. This is not my day. I'm now down $335. So there you see. It's not always you find something good in my sessions, and I'm sorry for that. Today was a terrible day. Now, for trading live for more than 1 year, I now have 8 losing days. So here you see how a losing day looks like. Oh, wait, now I'm you know what, I will try this if you go up or now. Come on. Typically I just stop after 1 hour, but I just hate to have a losing day. If you go more up, I will wait. No, okay. We stopped there. We count our loss today. So yes, now for trading live for more than 1 year, we have 8 losing days. So on losing day, it's like this. We see we have $335 in minus. So there you have it. So, but by the way, we will be back again tomorrow. Wait. We are so close. I know I should stop, but I don't manage to stop. We take it. Come on. Up. We are on dollar against Canadian, by the way. I'm in there. If this is a loss, I promise this will be the last. I know. I don't manage to stop. I'm in. Come on. He's so annoying today. When he first won. Don't tell me that you're going to lose this trade. No, we won it. Whew. There, okay, we go in again there. Okay. So, it's talking about losing here now, but now we are now 240. Take one more there. So now, let's see how this 2 turns out. Okay, okay, let's see now. Cool. Talking about losing here now, and now we are turning it around. Maybe some of you did even jump out of the session because I haven't stopped it too many times here now. But here we got 2 more wins. Plus 95, plus 95. Now we are $50 in minus. Just one more, then we are turn profit. Add him in there now. Let's see. As long as you don't break the line, we should win this trade. And come on. We lost that one. Okay. So minus 100. But our minus got smaller. It's now 150. I have not stopped yet. Is people still alive? Did someone jump out? No, we are all here. Okay, we have not stopped yet. Now it's just $150. Come on. Let's go. I'm ready to go in again up here. We just need 2 more trades. Come on, we can turn this around. I know. I'm going against myself. I should not trade so long, but I get addicted, you know. And I hate to say that I have 8 losses in a year. I know it's not many, but still, I just hated to put this on my tongue to say that I had a losing day. I got disgusted, you know. I can't have it. So we are now on dollar against Canadian dollar, and I can just taste victory. If it's just $5, I take it. Just so I can have a non-losing day. I'm happy. Let's see. Come on, go up. I know you won't. And let's see. We're getting very close now. Why I did push? Did you see? I did push the button. I was so close to be pushing, you know. So I did push by mistake. If you're lucky, you win, but then they said you will need to say it's luck because my finger just slipped. 8 seconds. Come on, count fast now. This is just a lucky trade, then I will say. The lucky trade gave us a win. Okay, cool. Plus 95. Then we need just one more trade and we turn profit. We are minus $55 right now. I'll keep my fingers away from the buttons. I don't do more mistakes. Do we have something here? This is far away. I will just check super fast the other ones. Okay, so it's this one you're trading. So we are now just $50 in minus. So just one trade and I can say we turn profit. We have now been live trading for 1 hour and 30 minutes. This is what we do to turn profit, right? And we are 7 people live. Only thing I'm not happy with for the people live, I only have 4 likes. It's important that you push the like button because the algorithm from YouTube, they like this, so we get more people to join. I am looking for one more so we turn profit in this session. I'm not going to stop before I at least get one more trade, so I can say that I either lose 150 or I gain profit. While we wait for this one, I will go super fast and see if we find something. Just so we can say that we turn profit today. I will jump in between. Here we have something. Let me mark it. This is euro against Australian dollar. Let's put 30. If you come up again, I will take it. So we are now at euro against Australian dollar. The line is at 1.52197. Let's see. We need one trade and we turn profit. Let's see. It's moving fast, I need to be careful. We are in, not the best entry. Take one more there. Now we need to wait these two and see if we can get profit in this session. Well, let's see. Lost first, of course. Won the next. And line is broken. So we are now $60 in minus, so it's not bad. Let's go back to this one. We will continue. I'm still so close. We are not giving up. We are just one trade away from victory. Let's take our line up here. This is for euro against British pound. If you come up there now, I will take a trade. Let's see. It's not moving fast, so this one is more easy. We are ready. This line is at 0.844907. Now let's see if you can get up there. I will take a trade. I'm in, and the line is broken. but we got the trade a little above it, by the way, so if we are lucky we win it, by the way. So now we need to wait 15 seconds. Looks like we're going to get a winner, so let's see. 3, 2, and oof, we won. There, then I'm happy. I did manage to turn a crazy $35 profit, but at least I can say that we did not have a losing session. It's a little stressful. I did turn it around from, I was going to call it a $350 what it was minus day, but we turned it into a profit of $35. So at least I will not count this as a good day because it's not, but at least we turned a profit on this session. So there we call it. We have now been live for almost 1 hour and 20 minutes, so that's more than we normally do. I will be back again tomorrow. You can copy me again then. We are making money in every single session. This time around we need to fight just to turn, I will say 0, but at least we turn profit, so it's not a losing day. Typically we make like $500-600 in each session, so this was a bad one. Okay, so make sure you open a binary option broker so you can follow me again tomorrow. We will be live the same time, and see you tomorrow. Have an amazing day.